nation is now the ultimate power in the universe.
Assalamu alaikum, Maida. My style is impetuous, my defense is impregnable, and I'm just ferocious. I want your heart, I want to eat his children. Praise be to Allah.
Anda sedang mendengar Kinabalu Podcast, podcast nomor 1 di Sabah, hosted by Ricardo, Kenny and Faizal. Podcast ini dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh orang Kota Marudu tinggal Jepun.
Follow Johan's journey on his quest promoting Amora Jepun.
Subscribe, like and share YouTube channel Lagu Dari Langit di YouTube.
Promosi Airtime 2022 kini dibuka PM kami di seluruh platform sosial kami.
Untuk tempahan promosi produk dan perkhidmatan anda atau apa jua yang anda ingin iklankan.
Email kami kinabalupodcast@gmail.com hari ni.
Yes, now on to the show. 3 lelaki, 2 bapa, 1 bujang. Podcast pertama paling ini tidak kurang.
Di sama nombor 1 yang lain boleh pulang. Info terkini tajuk best paling mana. Si Kado botak janggut lebat tiada lawan. Kenny ketawa boleh sampai pecah syawak. Si Faizal pula bagi pancaan lipat awak.
Kami training, kami ranking, jom jadi kawan. Dari yang dekat mari sini jangan jauh. Volume kasih up, kasih gempa baru jago.
Jokes kami cool, lawak masuk pool. Kadang kami carut sama macam 3 Abdul. Come on everybody, let's move to the beat. Crack the volume up, dengar podcast tidak stupid. Jangan jauh, mari kami bau. Ciao, bella ciao, ciao, bella ciao.
Yo, selamat kembali ke podcast nomor 1 di Sabah. Saya Ricardo.
Saya Amirul.
Saya Masih Nordin.
Yes, dan kami masih lagi di season 6 episode yang ke-6 ini di part yang kedua. Alright guys, we can continue with our Q&A and do's and don'ts.
Yeah, thank you Mirul, thank you Ricardo.
Yes,
Wow.
yes. Ada dapat rasa tak? Dapat rasa feeling dia tak?
Yeah.
Alright.
Best.
Okay.
Tinggi.
So let's talk about second part ni. Kalau ada soalan-soalan, boleh please carry on with the soalan. Please join in, no problem.
Yes. I ada soalan but
Yes.
not from me. Ada
Okay.
from our listener here. Nama Latif. And he's asking sebab line dia tak berapa strong.
Okay.
He's asking, selain advertisement, how do you make money through podcasting
Wow.
apart from advertisement?
Wow.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. First and foremost, Spotify didn't pay any goddamn penny to us lah. Tak banyak lah. Memang we haven't received any payment from Spotify, but we do receive from Anchor. So Anchor ni bila korang start, dia akan bagi once you guys sudah ada macam followers ataupun dah active on korang punya content. Let's say for weekly korang ada upload satu 10 minutes or berapalah ada episode yang up lah. Korang akan dapat dia panggil sponsor program. So dia akan bayar korang apabila korang buat dia punya intro, which is the intro is Anchor punya intro lah. Dia akan bagi korang dia punya talk set ataupun dia punya script. Korang akan baca dalam 30 saat. Korang save dekat Anchor. And apabila korang upload korang punya podcast, korang letakkan sponsorship tu kat dalam on the line. Nanti kalau korang dah deep into Anchor, you can just DM me ataupun apa-apa kalau nak tanya terus dia tanya. I will guide you guys. So bila korang letak, korang akan dapat intro yang dia tak ada dalam korang punya wave tau. Dia dalam korang punya library. So apabila dia main, Anchor will calculate until, if I'm not mistaken, like us sampai beberapa ratus $100 lah. So itu satu. Secondly, diorang juga bagi korang macam affiliate program dengan sponsorship. Yang mana sponsorship ni dalam podcast dia dikira macam airtime lah. So dia akan affiliate korang, boleh pilih mana-mana, boleh hantar korang punya podcast, bagi korang punya analytics and everything kepada diorang, company-company yang memerlukan. Memang diorang list down dengan Anchor. Korang check semua, diorang akan minta korang punya podcast and all lah, details korang. Lepas tu diorang akan minta korang punya ni contoh kalau korang buat diorang punya iklan. So they will pay you directly. That's number 2. So Anchor, affiliate program daripada Anchor. Dan number 3 is your own research ataupun your own source. So what we do, memang kita orang earn daripada kita orang punya sponsor lah. So like us, kita ada orang Kota Marudu tinggal Jepun, Johan. So dia memang ambil satu season terus. But kalau ada orang nak masuk in-app episode, for example macam konsert hari tu kita ada Kinabalu Jaguar FC, dia orang nak sponsor ataupun beli airtime during that time. What we do adalah kita terima diorang punya ni, korang set lah korang punya harga berapa lah, 300 ke 500 or 1000, it's up to you guys. Kalau diorang agree, korang punya analytics bagus, korang ada banyak engagement, korang boleh set tinggi, tak ada masalah. So what we do, macam intro tadi, kita akan buat macam tu lah. Podcast ini dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh Kinabalu Jaguar FC. Follow diorang di www.kinabalujaguarfc.com for example. Lepas tu dekat hujung, let's say 20 minutes kita bercakap atau 30 minutes kita bercakap, at the end kita akan have a break and terus bercakap dengan product talk. So kita akan jemput, contohnya macam Kinabalu Jaguar FC baru recent ni kita jemput dia punya head coach, Coach Aiman. So kita bercerita selama 8 to 10 minutes. Oh, coach, macam mana persiapan coach, macam mana coach punya ni team, macam mana cari pemain and all. Lepas tu 8 minit, okay, kita akan berehat dan kembali selepas ini. Then we go to the second part. So meaning to say, every part of that episode ada satu episode tapi ada 3 parts. So each of the 3 parts tu hujung dia ada sponsorship ataupun talk set ataupun product talk. For me, I think Noah Storyteller atau you guys tak ada masalah on reaching out, what we do. Pada asalnya kita contact home base business HBB. For example, diorang ada tart telur diorang ke, ataupun kek diorang ke, ataupun ada servis aircon ke apa kan. Bro, aku nak beli kau punya airtime lah bro, untuk this episode 300. Boleh? Okay, let's say you guys agree. Lepas tu korang buat same thing lah. Podcast ini ditaja oleh aircon service Kota Marudu. Follow mereka di IG mereka bla 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 untuk servis yang lebih baik dan menarik. Lepas tu okay, korang ceritalah korang punya episode, whatever you guys want to talk about. Lepas tu di hujung, okay, kita akan kembali selepas ini, tapi kita akan dengarkan pesanan-pesanan penaja kami dan bersama dengan aircon service Kota Marudu. Lepas tu break, ada stinger music sikit, and then we talk about the product. Okay bro, macam mana orang cakap kalau pasang aircon ni, kalau pakai yang inverter dia lebih murah lah bro. Tak actually this aircon actually dia bukan pasal inverter, but the way how you service it. Kalau korang maintain dia bagus, you talk about 8 minutes gitu. Okay bro, okay, we're gonna take a short break. We will be right back right after this. Kita akan kembali selepas ini dan kita ke part yang ketiga, stuff like that. So talking about how you make money, that's those 3 lah. Satu daripada Anchor, second daripada affiliate program, and the third one is daripada your own source, which is yang paling banyak bagi adalah daripada airtime punya selling lah. Okay Mashi, dah terjawab dah. Anyone else? Hi everyone, siapa yang baru masuk? Hi. Okay,
I lagi Ricardo.
Yes, Amirul.
Okay, all these, I mean, for the past episodes yang you dah buat kan, season 6 and all, what are the biggest challenge yang you kena overcome, kena settle, and you can adapt and all lah. And then what are the biggest sweet memory? I tak nak tanya pasal the sad one, but the best memories for the past 6 season you buat ni.
Alright. Okay, thank you very much. Good question, Amirul. First and foremost, this is the thing about podcast. Bertiga ataupun lebih daripada satu lah. Berdua lebih baik. So, what happened, because 3 of us are teachers. Like Faizal, dia penolong kanan satu tau, sekolah. So, Kenny pula, dia panitia, ketua panitia English Kota Marudu tau. So like me also English teacher and also coach and everything. So kita ada komitmen masing-masing. Rumah pula jauh-jauh semua. So first and foremost, of course, commitment. We that is the challenge lah. Secondly, I myself as the leader and my wife as a producer, kita nak them to engage with us supaya diorang pun feel it's side hustle ataupun work yang has to be done, dan we need to be there bila ada recording. So itu pertama. Tapi berlaku juga macam for example now PKP ada yang kena quarantine lah ataupun kontak rapat and all. Sometimes Faizal ataupun Kenny terpaksa balik and all. We still have to orang cakap macam mana kena faham juga situasi seperti itulah. Dan bagi kami family come first. So whatever happen, kalau family go. No problem, we cover. So itu ada challenge ya. But on the other side pula, apabila orang dah bayar, for example they pay your sponsorship, it's bagi dia orang it's korang kata bertiga tapi berdua, so it's very something is yang macam tak berapa nak elok sangat lah. But basically kalau macam Kenny tak ada ataupun Faizal tak ada, we still can cover and we still boleh make it fat lah, the content ataupun the banter. Itu pertama tadi soalan Amirul. sweet memories ataupun sweet pengalaman yang terbaik lah. Okay, banyak sebenarnya. For example, pertama sekali the guest lah yang we have. For example, macam Khairul Anwar Azmi, we have Khairul Anwar Azmi, kira besar dekat Malaysia. And then we do have Farid PF of K-Click. We do have Fikri Bakar, the actor. We have Athena Osman daripada MMA Malaysia. The guest lah, basically the guest. Siapa yang besar tak kira, tapi the guest memang bagi kami it's very good. Macam last night we had a recording with Emily. Emily ni adalah Captain Malaysia, bola sepak Malaysia perempuan tau. So very good one juga, very good session juga. So okay, other than that, sweet memory dia adalah like our sponsors. For example, last time we got sponsors daripada one of these homestays di Ranau, di Kundasang Ranau. So they call us up to do a podcast di Kundasang outside of our studio lah. So we went to Kundasang. Kita set up di sana and kita berlatar belakangkan Gunung Kinabalu masa podcast live on Facebook Live.
Wow.
Yes, amazing, seriously amazing. So one of the memory that I cannot forget about that lah. Kita panggil the owner and we talk about homestays, how's the industry of homestays, because in Kundasang is all about homestays. It's a very good experience lah. That's about it, I think so, as for now. So the guests and also the sponsorship. Yes. Anyone else?
Okay, cool. So lagi satu.
Yes, Miro.
After you dah buat all the recording, you dah buat mastering, edit and all. So you upload terus ke Spotify ke, atau you have another medium atau macam SoundCloud and then you connect linkkan ke, macam mana? Okay. Good question. Tadi if you the first part awal-awal tadi people talk about that juga. That's why I talk about Anchor. Banyak podcast based di Malaysia, di World Wide Web ni ataupun di aplikasi-aplikasi yang ada di dunia ni. So one of the best is Anchor. So like us, kita upload on Anchor. So on Anchor dia akan bagi RSS feed ataupun korang punya QR ataupun korang punya alamat lah untuk dia dimainkan di mana-mana platform podcast. So like Anchor, dia memang connect with Spotify because dia memang under Spotify. So asal korang letak kat Anchor, dia akan at least bagi 5 tempat yang 5 tempat lah. If I'm not mistaken, let me just recall back. Spotify, Google Cast, Radio Cast, I think Anchor Cast, and ada satu lagi lah. So itu dia bagi 5 dan dia memang kira macam yang paling banyak orang dengar lah. Apple Podcast ada, yes, Apple Podcast ada 5. So bila kita upload ke Anchor, it will automatically distributed to that 5 platforms. Alright. I see. That's cool. Okay, lagi satu lagi.
Yes.
Sorry, banyak tanya pula.
Better lah, banyak tanya lagi bagus. Okay.
Masa you awal buka you punya podcast team ni kan, do you have this orang kata apa macam syndrome lah, you always compare you punya content atau you punya podcast dengan other podcast, macam you have macam tadi I think you punya inspiration from the Okay Let's Go. So adakah you sentiasa compare, I mean this is not negative way lah,
yes.
This is something yang you akan put an effort to grow better, which kita as a human kita akan pilih satu benda untuk kita inspire.
Yes.
So somehow will there at one point you rasa that content you come out tu macam you rasa, oh no, this is not enough lah, not very good, but then you dah put all the heart and soul for 1 or 2 weeks untuk editing it out, and then bila put you rasa macam no, tak confident, is it you akan put it aside, re-record, atau you just blast it out?
Yes, good question, Amirul. Always good questions. Okay, to be frank, memang kita compare, not just Okay Let's Go, but other podcast as well. Kalau internationally, we got Joe Rogan ataupun Logan Paul pun ada dia punya podcast sendiri, Impulsive. Kita ada Yes Theory Podcast, Manchester United Podcast. Memang kita we compare, we do compare, and we try to like for example, let's talk about Okay Let's Go. Okay Let's Go dah make money, they're making millions from podcast. So kenapa kita tak ikut kan? So it's a
betul.
Benda tu dah berlaku, dah make it. So why don't we follow? So memang we compare, and the content, kalau let's say for example the content is like shit, tak best lah, content memang teruk lah hari ni, we will upload. We will upload, and the next it's content itself, because the next podcast we will talk about it. Teruk lah podcast hari tu kita teruk lah, everyone is like so teruk lah, all sebelum bagi-bagi yang tak patut lah punya ni. So hari tu Zal kau sakit ke, kenapa kau macam ni, sikit ni gini. It becomes like content, so kita upload, we upload. Yeah, everything. That's why Masa Mashi talk about macam kita buat intro dulu, do's and not kan. I said no, let's talk on podcast, because sayang, it's content, so jangan sia-siakan content. Because like us VO talents ataupun podcaster ni, everything is content, so jangan sia-siakan.
Betul. And kebanyakan yang tengok podcaster ni lah, diorang punya background bukannya 100% dalam media tau. No. Yeah, mostly not. Betul. Yeah. That make me very interesting, because by the end of the day, if someone yang suka cakap, suka share, cakap, everyone can cakap, yes, but not everyone can deliver.
Betul.
So that will be the orang kata apa, the core of your content tu. So the delivering of the content tu, that's the orang kata apa, the biggest identity of your podcast. So betul. Macam you as Kinabalu Post, how you guys macam mana nak cakap
yes,
find a topic atau scope of area for you guys to talk. Adakah you guys plan untuk this month? Okay, this month contohnya you buat ada 4 weeks, so every week you set out. Okay, kita dah brainstorming. Okay, this week kita cerita pasal ni, second week kita pasal ni. Adakah that way, atau you guys nak on air, after next on air baru you akan fikir by gradually ke one by one, atau you memang terus okay, kita dah habis 1 bulan, so next week will be the last month, so kita kena fikir for the next month punya idea. Is it that way or what?
Okay, Amirul, it comes both way. So kadang it comes both way. Kadang kita just you guys, we need to come out with because sponsor jalan, so we need to come out with episode. So whatever it is, let's go to the studio and record. So kita tak ada idea langsung, tak ada zero. So tapi bila kita dengar lagu kita orang bla 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 bla, lagu dah masuk, kita orang dah gelak dah. Boom, everything we talk like macam kita cakap dekat kedai kopi lah, dekat kedai mamak lah, dekat dapur lah. So from there we set up a tajuk for the particular part. For example, banyak cerita pasal, for example, kita cerita pasal Najib lah, for example lah, kita punya XPM or something. Atau we talk about Dr. Mahathir lah something, ataupun we talk about Fahmi Reza. And we kupas panjang pasal tu, even though we talk other stuff juga, but we make it our tajuk for that part. Second part pula, okay, kita akan berehat, kita akan kembali selepas ni. Second part kita record lagi. We don't know anything. I say, have you heard about this thing? Dia ada satu binatang ni, dia ular tau, tapi ular ni dia tak ada kepala. Dia hujung pun bukan kepala, sebelah hujung pun tak bukan kepala. So tapi macam mana? Kau rasa macam mana? Ada binatang apa? And we started to talk about animal yang weird, and animals yang ada around yang kita pernah jumpa. So it became content. For second part we will talk ular tanpa kepala, tajuk dia. And then we end at the part, and then kita akan kembali selepas ini. Lepas tu third part we do the same thing. That's what they do. And I have to say, one of you guys, kalau korang more than one lah, for example 2 orang atau 3 orang or more, one has to be the alpha lah. Orang bilang dia yang akan set guide and triggers questions.
So basically you guys unscripted lah.
Unscripted. We are unscripted. It's all unscripted. We are unscripted, tak ada script.
That's super, bro. That's super.
Tak ada.
Wow.
But I'm gonna thank you, Amirul. So I want to share you content punya ideas. Okay. Like me myself, kita dekat Telegram, I follow quite numerous numbers of virals punya benda lah. For example, I follow Info Semasa, I follow Viral Malaysia or something like that, ataupun all this Vocat. So from there, whatever yang menarik, I will save it on my saved messages on Telegram. So bila tak ada dah subjek apa semua tak ada, kita dah start, I'm gonna open that one, we gonna talk one by one, kita kupas one by one. Korang tahu dekat India ada satu ni, dia minum Clorox, kau tahu tak? Dia yang minum Clorox untuk elak daripada COVID-19 tahu. Kita gelak tapi kau fikir nanti kau punya perut jadi putih, stuff like that lah. Tapi itu, that's the way we banter lah, because we want the originality. Kita orang memang normally like that. Because ada orang macam, for example, let's say you guys do malam seram, music pun semua seram, everything pun seram. Korang tak boleh gelak-gelak apa, sebab korang nak engage orang, nak masuk. So dia cakap pun sangat slow. The podcast pun cakap slow. Malam itu kita ada terima satu message daripada seorang rakan yang tidak ingin dinamakan. Kita namakan dia Ali. And then suddenly music suspend masuk, for example lah, kan? Dia jalan dekat belakang, and suddenly belakang sekolah tu dia nampak satu telekung. Dia macam berdiri, tapi saiz dia macam dia duduk. So what happened, dia security guard, so dia kena pergi and check, takut memberikan bahaya pada sekolah. Masa tu jam 11.59 malam. So dia bergerak. On the way dia pergi sana, dia punya torchlight mati. So dia tak ada torchlight, dia buka phone dia on lampu dia. Pada masa tu, can you believe, tudung itu berdiri. Stuff like that lah. Okay guys. So wow. Yeah, so you music wise pun mainkan peranan.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Sign me up.
Orang takut tak?
Saya cabut earphone saya.
Tak ada masalah.
AC style. Sudah naik bulu rumah.
So thank you Zulkifli. So basically when Amirul cakap pasal korang nak set ke tak set ke, it comes both, because when to do about yang setup pula, me and my wife gonna brainstorm. Next week why not you guys do musical? Dah lama tak buat musical. Let's call up, let's chat with people, DM people. So this is what I do in my wife lah. So we tak muka tak malu DM siapa-siapa je. Even Khairi Jamaluddin pun we DM, whoever it is. Wow. we DM, we don't care. Ada respond, ada rezeki, tak ada rezeki lah. So that's what we do.
So you guys keep track lah, all the things that you have done. So you keep track, is it?
Yes, we do keep track, because kadang-kadang dua-dua agree, dua-dua agree. Mm-hmm. So what we do, kita tak boleh matikan, kita tak boleh cancel lah, sebab dua-dua dah agree, kan? So what we do, kita set up timing. For example, okay, Thursday, what time we start, bro? We start at 9:30, bro. Padahal pada sebelum tu kita dah start 7:30 untuk the first one. So we got 2 content there. For example lah, Khairul Anwar Azmi hari tu, after Khairul Anwar Azmi, Abang Noah punya session, we actually got Abang Noah dah masuk dah. Panjang umur. So that's what we do lah. So after Noah punya session the other day, we do have other session as well. So tapi of course the guests don't know. So bila kita upload on Anchor, on Spotify, we do it the next week lah. So the next week we don't have to do recording lah. Kita dah save.
Betul.
Itu pun kalau korang buat weekly 1 episode, because kita orang 2 episode per week. Kita 2 episode per week. So
itulah Bashi macam mana planning dia.
Korang my advice is actually korang should really start orang cakap podcast, because korang dah ada equipment and everything. We talk about equipment on the third part, okay guys? We are going to take a short break. We are going to take a short break. Thank you very much Noah Storyteller. Stay tuned guys. Kita akan kembali selepas ini dan dengarkan pesanan-pesanan penaja kami.
Hi, I'm Anne Athena Osman and you're listening to Kinabalu Podcast, the #1 podcast in Sabah.
Check your systems are offline. #1 for today's hits and all-time favorites.